Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hi guys! Newbies here! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng milktea sa halagang 20 pesos. At yung magagamitin natin ay which is 15 pesos. Tapos yung tea, 5 pesos individually. At bumili ka ng isang piraso. Meron kaming tea sa baba na isang box, kaya 10 pieces. So, yun guys. So, let's get started!
2 hours later.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!
Trying to stay inside the line.